Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencer. I do a lot of makeup videos, product reviews and all that other jazz. So in today's video, I'm actually going to review a new foundation for you all. It's from a brand called Sheglam. If you don't know about Sheglam is actually a makeup line by Shein. Shein actually came out with their own makeup line called Sheglam. It's absolutely stunning range. The products are insanely good. I've been using them for since they launched, and I'm so happy to be working with them and giving you this first review of their foundation. I was a little apprehensive about trying it because it's a matte foundation and I'm a dry skin person, but I'm going to take you to the video and let you guys see yourself if this foundation is good or bad. So let's just not waste any more time and get into this video. But before you leave, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. And I'm also started doing shorts video now as well on YouTube, so if you haven't checked it out, go check them out too. Let's just go and create this magic. Love you all, take care, bye. So as mentioned in the intro, we're gonna go ahead and test out this Sheglam matte long-lasting pro foundation. They were really kind enough to send me a couple of shades to try and see if I can basically work with these. So I have to tell you, the first shade is fair, which you can already tell it's going to be super duper pale for me. The second one is cappuccino. It looks a little dark. And the third one is honey. It might be okay, but I have a good option because I have fair shade, so I can definitely mix this with darker shades and make my own. I'm hoping the honey will work on its own, so we're just gonna go ahead and test these foundation out for you today. Sheglam was very kind enough. They actually sent me one of their new sponges as well. It's their multi-faced makeup sponge. You can do your full face makeup with this sponge. I love their sponges so much. I have used them in the past as well. I have the pink one and the beige one, and they all are pretty much the same. It comes with its own kind of it comes with its own container, which is just like a storage container, and then you have the sponge. The sponge looks like this. It has a really nice shape, so you can actually do your full face makeup using the sponge. Sponge is totally ready, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with my foundation. So I'm gonna do a quick swipe of honey first. I'm just gonna take it on my palette and see if this is going to work. So this is how honey is looking. It might be okay, but I think it might be a little bit on a yellow side. So as you can see, I am a little bit pale at the moment for some reason because I've been exfoliating my face way too much. So my face is slightly on the paler side, but I always try to color match my foundation with my neck. So looking at it, it might be still a little bit dark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple of pumps of honey and just add one pump of fair as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take the foundation on my sponge and I'm going to start applying it. This sponge is the way that it's been shaped. You can do your foundation super duper quickly because the area they usually recommend to do your foundation is really nice and wide. So okay, so far so good. So far so good. You can see the coverage. I'm not even applying that much product. Another thing is I'm using the sponge, so the sponge is actually sucked up a little bit product anyway, but still I have a really nice full coverage, which is amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do my full face, basically one coverage. As you can see, it has covered pretty much everything, but I'm just gonna take one more pump of honey and half a pump of fair. not even half, a very small amount, because you have to mix the ratio equally so you don't have a different shade or something for your second coverage. You want to make sure you have exactly the same shade what you used on your first application. And always mix your foundation really well so it's all one tone. I'm gonna go a little bit more just on my cheeks to give another, like a second coverage, because the sponges always tend to suck the product a little bit, so it's always nice to just go with one more layer of foundation, especially where you need more coverage. So there we have it, guys. This is the full 2 layers of foundation and this is how it's looking. So I'm just gonna finish the rest of the makeup off camera and then I will show you the final look, how is everything looking. So there we go, guys. This is the full face makeup using the Sheglam foundation, and as you can see, everything is looking super duper flawless, super duper airbrushed. And I have to say, every single product I used on top of the foundation, it just went on like a dream. No issues whatsoever, no patchiness, nothing. So I am so happy with the way it's looking and everything turned out. And seriously, for $8, I don't think so you can buy even a better foundation than this. And I'm a dry skin person and my face is not looking any cakey or any kind of like a dryness or anything. You can see it yourself. So do check out Sheglam foundation. I'm sure you're gonna absolutely love it. And if you are interested to save some money, I do have a discount code with Sheglam, which I will write down in the description box below, so you can go and save some money. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I shall see you guys next time. Love you all. Take care. Bye.